Welcome to the Academy of Lockpicking Arts. I am Bill Ragsdale, your Dean of Instruction. Our Academy has been conducting classes in the greater Los Angeles area for 5 years. At our class, you'll be introduced to the mysteries of lockpicking as an engaging event with instruction, workshops, games, contests, and prizes. In groups of 4, you'll build your skills with the support of your team members. You'll first develop your skills on a clear lock so you can see the internal mechanism. The technique shown here applies to nearly all locks. We have methods for either right-handers or left-handers and a variety of lock picks. Then you'll move to a sequence of 4 locks of increasing difficulty. The top lock is found on desks and filing cabinets and is 1 step above the padlock in challenge. Our class continues with a Schlage door lock and a master lock shown here on a crystal mount. Here I pick this lock to its open position and then reverse and pick it again, returning to its secure position. People of all interest and skill levels find these classes rewarding. We build on the basics of lockpicking with a puzzle box, and with games, and with prizes. The event is crowned with an awards ceremony for all, complete with music. Your take-home kit consists of 12 professional lock picks, the clear practice lock, a CD of videos, a 6-page guide to lockpicking, and more. You'll be on your way. I'm Bill Ragsdale. On behalf of our Academy and over 400 graduates, we hope to see you at our next lockpicking class.